All right, guys, you guys know that we got this AWD Honda van.
Yes. So we bought this van for a good price, and the guys that we got it from couldn't get it started, so they don't know what's wrong with it. They replaced the head on it, ring, pistons on here.
Almost
so they did the whole
right?
thing. Yeah, you could look at here. Look, the head looks likely brand new on here. They did all that, and we got it, tore it apart, and I kind of figured it was the timing was off.
Timing was off, right?
Yeah, it was off by 7 tooth. So
7?
yeah, they used the wrong marking. That's why this mark. They used this marking here, which supposed to, this is the marking that you're supposed to use. Just like how the D series.
The D series, right?
Yeah, and it's up. See the up right here? It's supposed to be up because the motor runs this way.
Oh.
So that's up, and then that has to be flat
That
against
side.
the head. That has to be flat against the head. These things here are for like the number 1, 2, and 3 cylinder.
They probably was frustrated, dude. I mean, if it.
Yeah. So hopefully it didn't bend no valve. So because they try to start it. So we know it was a little tight. It was hitting on the valve. So we're gonna go ahead and just
Try start it up. And
yeah, put it in the time, and then also we found out that here the valve adjustment was never done, so it has a lot of play in here. So
Oh man.
yeah, so it's pretty thick. So it's probably
It's like one of those dew point.
I can tell you. Let's see. What is this?
3-cylinder single cam.
A 26. Look at this. This thing just goes right in.
Right in.
26 plus 20. That's 46. 46 is still loose. So their gap is way off. 60 thousandths. Yeah, it's
Still
about
loose.
60 thousandths. So yeah, it's supposed to be 18 thousandths.
This is definitely OBD, like not even 1, OBD 0.
So we're gonna adjust this. And then after that, we're gonna start it up and see if it. Hopefully the valve, like I said, the valve didn't bend.
If anything, they gave you a head, right?
Yeah, I got a head, but I if anything, I mean, we could.
Just set the valve out. Change valves or what?
Nah, put another motor in. We got 2 motors right here.
Well, they rebuilt this motor, right? Everything's on.
Everything, yeah, it's all been
piston,
rebuilt.
everything. That's the radiator down there.
That's the for the AC.
AC. So 7 tooth off would definitely not start a vehicle. Sure. What do you guys think about this? You guys saw it already, but here's a little walk around. Look, Sone already upgraded. Look at that turn now. Look like that stopped. But now that got welded this morning. Both windows wind down, as you guys can see. Didn't know it's locked. Oh, not locked.
Hey, Happy New Year. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Oh,
What's up, Frank? Happy New Year.
I thought this van, it wouldn't start. They did
Engines in the back.
yeah, but the 7 tooth off.
Oh, somebody else.
You didn't tell me hello. Where's Mike? Mike didn't come in today.
Omar.
Yeah.
Really?
Give me that. Move.
Hey, what are you doing?
Move, my
That
youth.
has that has pork.
Pork?
Pork grease.
It does?
Yeah.
Why you put pork grease in it? You don't
Just
need.
kidding, it doesn't.
Oh, mother. Almost done.
Getting there. Yeah, one was way too tight. The other one was super loose.
One was way too tight.
Yeah. The exhaust was too tight.
You think they even did a valve on this thing?
They didn't. They did a valve on it, but they didn't do a valve adjustment on it.
Oh.
They don't know how to do it. He told me. So if you guys ever do these valve cover, please, you don't need RTV.
You don't.
It doesn't need RTV. This is,
That's too
by
much.
putting, it's probably gonna leak if you put too much of this RTV. So since we can't get a new one right away, what we're gonna do is clean this thing up, because this is pretty like brand new, but they put all these RTV on here.
RTV on there, right?
Yeah.
All it needs is a little something on the
Yeah.
corner, and that's it.
That's it. Here, 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 and here. That's it. That's all you need. You don't need this, all that. They don't do nothing but make these things leak.
Damn, this thing got 3 injectors? Or,
It's 3-cylinder.
okay, 1 injectors, nice.
Tree.
Tree.
Where the hell does it go? How come it's not going in there?
You gotta lift the back up. There we go.
We're just going to put this on.
We're gonna plug it up and start
I
up.
start it, and if it works, then we're going to put everything back together.
Here goes the ground right there too.
Yeah. So if it cranks up, we're putting it back together. Take it back off and then put everything back together. The cover and all that.
Man, you should get the cover powder coated red.
Nah, I'm not doing all that. You can't even see it. I don't have time for that. Alright, the other two. Get the other two.
Yes, two. It has two. Yeah, it has 2 written on it.
Is it?
Yeah, it's number 3. Come on, still got the OEM Honda wires. What year it says on it, saying?
97.
Damn, boy, still good. But he hasn't driven that long though, so it's good.
That's just garbage. I need to get another one. It might be a D series.
Yes, it's definitely D series.
Seen better days.
Camera starter up.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
This baby mature red.
Let me get the
Better.
no, the battery.
Body let it rip. Body let it rip.
Pizza.
Pizza, pizza.
How's it going?
Sour and Carmine's or Joe's?
What are those people?
Pizza.
7-Eleven slices. I'm gonna start this thing up.
Let's see what else is wrong with it.
Right? Starting is one thing, right?
Quit. Okay, that's out. Oh,
Almost. Let's go. Yeah.
I don't hear any. I don't hear the.
Is it just the plug in? Is it getting fuel?
I don't think it's getting
There's
compression.
no fuel. It's just spinning, saying
I think it's I think it's done.
the guide.
Yeah. Hold on, I got an idea. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, what? Oh, yeah? That's a good thing.
Yeah, you get a starter fluid.
You want to shoot. Damn, too big. Hold on. Okay, fine.
compression check and nothing, right, Sang?
Nothing, all of it. It's all zero. It didn't even move at all. So we know that the valves are bent.
Valves are bent. So
yeah,
we're gonna take this motor out, drop in one of the motors that we have for it.
Yeah, luckily we got 2 of them. So the one that we have, it's all-wheel drive. So, but I think we're just gonna keep it, you know, rear-wheel drive.
Rear-wheel drive. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, we're gonna transfer everything over because this one here is actually an EFI version. What we have is a just a regular
fuel point thing.
yeah.
All right, cool. So, this is like the SI version. All right, guys. But man, you're too close to comfort, my youth. Fuck up, my youth.
Put the flash in my eye.
Shit out.
Let's see our reactions.
Ours?
Alright guys, stay tuned. We're going to give you an update as we go along when we're dropping the new motor in this thing.
The world, I see them changing the game. That's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will and deep, almost like a war machine. Like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple-digit speeds and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, always gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings. All-wheel gripping, 4-4-wheel gripping. S1, all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camcorder that's S1, all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings.
All-wheel gripping, 4-4-wheel gripping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get